So I was recently given this little power bank to take a look at. I was told that the charge port fell off, and I don't know if that rattling comes across, but that kind of tells me where it might have went. I don't see any screws, so I have no idea how we're going to get into it yet, but let's see if we can't figure it out. Ooh. Okay, so looks like I finally got it out. That was a pain. It's definitely not designed to be taken apart, and I did a lot of damage, so we'll see if it comes back together. Here's the port. It's hard to see, but it looks like I tore some pads off. Get it under the microscope here in a second to take a look. Looks like the USB port's also damaged. That might have been me trying to tear it apart. We replace that too. If we get it working again. It's interesting. It looks like, there was a screw holding it in, it looks like, under the, so it looks like I should have popped this out and then there's a screw. Well, I guess when you know, huh? Alright, well, I think I'm going to try to desolder these battery wires so I can get to just the board, and then we'll see if we can't fix up this charge port. Alright, so that's definitely been out of shape a bit. I wonder if we can just bend it back. If we have to, we can replace it, but that might be alright. We'll see. Where's the power button. There's the charge port connection. Yeah, it looks like pad's definitely ripped up. That's unfortunate. Looks like the anchor points are still there. Well, it looks like just these two go here and these two go under here. I wonder if I could just get a grinding pen on that and expose some of that. Let me first make sure that I have a replacement port. I should though. I think that should do. wouldn't claim that it's pretty, but I think it'll get the job done. Good sign. All right, here we are all back together. Still get indication there. Plug it in. Hopefully we'll see. All right, so I'm going to leave this sit for a few minutes and just make sure that the batteries do indeed take a charge. All right, so I've had this plugged in for, well, not too long actually, just enough to get up to about 10%. But I wanted to give it just a quick try on this, just to make sure that these are USB ports are still working. It's still charging things like it's supposed to. Yep, there you go, there's that one. And that one, there we go. So there we go, working like a charm. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye.